It's Thursday evening mga sir. Ito, nag-aayos tayo ng mga unit. Nag-zero tayo and kinakabisado natin itong thermal na pinauwi sa atin. Na-issuean tayo ni Tito Julius. Yan, shoutout kay Tito. Siyempre yung ating MP5, dadalhin din natin yan. Okay, nilagay ko muna siya sa unit na to kasi yung main unit ko, yung MK18, naka-Bisli ngayon. So, kailangan i-tune up. Finally, dumating na ang sundo namin. So mga sir, we left Tarlac at 11 PM. And ayan, naayusin yung mga gamit natin. Si Tank ang Kamada Master natin dyan. Every time na meron kaming event na malayo or biyahe, siya nag-aayos ng mga gamit natin. So yun, magmi-meet na lang tayo somewhere in NLEX sa mga kasama natin para makapag-convoy tayo. Pwede muna kami sa 7 Evelyn mga sir.
HPA ka ng pari.
Ayan. Tapos makikipag-meet kami sa Shell of Asia. Sila Tito Julius and Gila Marvin. Welcome to another vlog mga sir. Again, this is RJHV Airsoft. My role for this event is going to be a team leader for Team Amsland Tarlac. This is our second time joining cemetery fall events organized and hosted by Sir Luke. Last time was held in Baguio. 24 hours milsim event. Ito ay continuous na laro compared sa scrimmages games or regular Sunday game na after every game may rest or time to reload, eat and re-strategize. The difference is this 24-hour game that we will be playing the entire day. Kahit kumakain ka or nagbibihis ka or whatever you're doing, tuloy-tuloy ang laro. Once the game started, it does not end unless you reach the 24-hour mark at 5 AM or if the other side will surrender earlier than expected. Since we have played in 24-hour milsim before as a team, we're quite familiar with the gameplay. We've done countless training prior to this event, so yes, I can proudly say that we're very much prepared for this kind of event. Now, the scenario mga sir. We have 3 teams. Western, Red Team, Eastern Command, Blue Team, and Rebels, Yellow Team.
Alan! Lan! Lan! Kanino to? Ikaw tayo. Hindi ba rin pag... Ayaw, maringat yung baboy namin kakaroon. Na ako no? Pwede na ako kumain pare.
Pare, hindi na pare.
Mababait sa mga Amsland, 430 FPS.
Yeah.
Ito siguro nasa mga 430 din.
Oh.
430! Sige ba? Okay. So, release mag. Next!
So yun mga sir, pasado tayo.
Ito, pakita natin.
Mabait. Mabait sa MK.
424. That's good.
Copy. Tito, ingat dyan Tito, meron daw po dyan. Apo. Wait lang to.
Ito sa kaliwa dito, wala di sa atin.
Hindi po, palaban po. Forward tayo dito.
Ako din mga yung direction mo yan, ito.
Tara. Not too aggressive ba?
Maintain distance,
Oo.
Huwag yung pinaproprong si Ico.
Hop. Crossing ha, may crossing ha, mga kalaban niya mga yan, no?
Crossing.
Ingat sa right pare, ingat sa right.
Dito sa harap.
Oh pare, wait lang. Masyado yatang open. Oo, masyadong open. Recon muna tayo.
Straight right there to the right hand side of the road.
Here.
I don't know. We do have some on the left, but I don't know how far they went. All of the yellow is just like right fucking there.
Yeah, on the north right?
Yeah.
I saw them crossing. Okay, move. Move. Follow sir, follow kayo sa likod.
Hit!
Hit na!
Tight na!
Sir, 11 o'clock at saka 1 o'clock meron dito.
Yes sir, revive na.
Sorry.
Hold pa natin yung kaliwa.
Nasa roadside sila mga sir, roadside.
Copy, copy.
12 o'clock. Roadside, roadside. Mak, moving left ne. Tank, baka pa ko. Suppress. 3, 2, 1, banat.
Bante!
Negative, meron sa kanan. Sir, kita ka dyan ha, tapa lang. Kaya umalis ako dyan eh. Meron dito sa may puno sir, sa may 2 o'clock mo. Enemy at the tree. Right. Okay, right side. Crossing ha, crossing. Pupunta sa left lahat, left. Huh? Shoot him. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Bro. Enemy. May 12 o'clock. 2 enemies. Nice.
But then walked away.
Ano pre, roadside, kunin natin.
Pakuha lang natin yung kabilang side. Tapos taktakan yung kaliwa. May sacrifice talaga dito.
Ito. Yan pare, abangan mo lang dyan. Positive, 12 o'clock ko. Ayaw mami. Putang ina. Wait na.
Nagpasama yung poste.
Down. Wait lang. Tayo natin lumapit. Ito may butas dito.
Kita mo na. Ayun pare, tumatayo. Ayan o. Nakita mo na.
May likod.
Ayun na, sa harap mo na.
Wala pa. Kada pa. Manatan mo. Resta mo mo. Amsland, push right. Sukol na sila, tatlo na lang.
Pushing forward kami. Far left. Advantage yung kalaban, nasa high hill sila. Lower ground tayo. Beastly kami.
Sige.
Ito, pwede na natin hill yan.
Tara.
Tara, hill mo na sila. Hill. Tutuyo.
Cover. Mak. 3, 2, 1. Push. Left. May umikot na dito pare. Meron dyan. Sure ako.
Ulan.
Hit na.
Hit na.
I'm going in first, okay? Multiple enemies here.
Yeah.
Behind the grass.
Yeah.
So,
I was gonna find.
lang them. We have troops in here, red, and also that mango tree.
We'll not get that blue tree.
Kami. Pare, PO down. Down. Get down. Ha? Oh, ready kami. Jonathan, ready. Pare, ito na, bumababa na sila. Jonathan, let's go. Pare, tara. Bumababa na sila doon, oh. Tara, likuran na. Wag. Likuran natin. Likuran. Get down. Is someone there? No. There, go forward. Don't walk, bro. Don't walk. There's someone in there, snipers. Let's make a run.
Is that one of ours or one of those?
This is one of ours. The enemy's in there. The other side.
We try to rescue them?
No, they're alive.
Siguro muna Amsland, baka nasa manggahan sila, nag-aantay nung sumugod tayo. Hindi, kung nasa manggahan sila, bakit din na tayo pinagpakan nung konti lang siguro yun to, siguro mga...
After nating mag-dinner dyan mga sir, magigirap na kami. And talaga may plano kaming mag-night ops kasama ang DTAP, pero ito ang nangyari. First of all mga sir, inatake nyo mga kampi namin, DTAP team, wala naka-eye pro, mask o gear up sa kanila. Pero di kami nagreklamo. Everyone who signed up for this should know the risk. Ceasefire kasi may na-injured, yes, valid yan mga sir, at nasa rules. Pero, after check ng admin, false call pala. Pero okay lang yon, RTB sila, imbis na POW na namin dapat, di ba? Okay now, balik tayo sa night operation namin mga sir. Let's find out kung paano natin na-atake yung base ng blue and kung naging successful ba tayo. So, here it is. Enjoy mga sir.
Tumatakbo.
Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going
Right side.
flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
3 to 4 enemies! Ahead!
Sir, multiple tangos, 20 to 30. Ready kayo, ready.
Kanan? Ano, obe? Op, may nag-whistle.
Saka sila yung pumus eh, ngayon yung binakbakan na kami.
Oh, no injury ah! Okay? So, lahat ng bagay is dinadaan sa investigation. So, lahat ng bagay is nade-delay dahil saan? Investigation, tama?
Another incident, nag-whistle ulit ang opposing team saying na may emergency. We're very close to completing our mission to overrun their base. Hindi biro yung pagod at hirap para magawa yun. And after all, laro ang habol namin, tas mabibitim pala dahil ulit sa false call.
Nagkaroon ng false call, team. False call. Team. Is nakatira sa discharge ng red team. Op, may nag-whistle. Op, may nag-whistle.